Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Canva Pro. First, navigate to the Canva website and find the Try Pro for free option. You will then select a subscription plan, typically offering a generous 30-day free trial. Next, input your payment information. Rest assured, you will not incur any charges until your trial period concludes. Finally, confirm your account setup and dive straight into the powerful Pro features available to you. With Canva Pro, you unlock a suite of powerful tools. The Brand Kit allows you to centralize your logos, specific brand colors, and unique fonts for consistent branding across all your designs. Use Magic Resize to effortlessly transform your creations into different dimensions, perfect for various social media platforms. The Content Planner helps you schedule posts directly, saving you valuable time. Plus, gain access to over 100 million premium stock assets. To enrich your playing, consider exploring simple chord inversions. These allow for smoother transitions between harmonies, making the piece flow more naturally. You can also introduce a walking bass line in your left hand, adding rhythmic drive and depth. Experiment with arpeggiated chords to create a fuller, more textured sound, especially during sustained sections. These techniques add musical interest. To truly maximize your Canva Pro experience, delve into the vast library of Pro-exclusive templates designed to give your projects a professional edge. Remember to use the version history feature, which allows you to easily revert to earlier design iterations if needed. Download your creations in high-quality formats like transparent PNGs or vector SVGs. Should you ever need assistance, Priority Customer Support is readily available to help you make the most of your subscription.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.